Today we are going to take a quiz to see if you remember when to use gerunds and infinitives. Let's do a little review before the quiz. If you would like to pause the video and check out our channel, we have a couple of videos that explain gerunds and infinitives. They are very short, so it will take only a few minutes. The links to those videos will appear in the corner around this area. When you are finished, we'll meet in the classroom. Let's start the review. Welcome back. Let's get started. Here are the instructions. The questions will come across on the screen, right about there. The answers will appear here and here. The correct answer will light up green. Don't forget to keep an eye on the stopwatch. You will have about 5 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's get started. How did you do? I'm sure you did great. Be sure to keep practicing, and each time you will do better. See you next time.